Hey guys, so today we are gonna do the biggest room. Oh my god, your hair looks so good. Like, look at it. Look at it. Can you see? It looks like you did it with Dyson. Okay. We are gonna announce a special thing soon, so let's go. So these are the few stuff that came in. This is the curtain rod. Actually, the people will think it's pole dance. Actually, no, pole dance is like I can't even do that. You see, I'm not good at it. And then this one is like my future boyfriend's height. That tall, right? Go tinggi. Tak cukup tinggi. Panjang. So you guys are gonna hear a few barking because of the neighbors down there. They have quite a lot of dogs. But this is my office room. This is mine and Natasha's office room. Here's a tour. Natasha, come. This is the total how the room looks like. There's a lot of potential for the size. The size is not too small. There is potential. Let me put you guys down. Hello? There is potential in this room. Shut up! There is potential in this room, but we have to get rid of these boxes, which is my stocks for coil. So let's build the rack first. Okay, this hurts, bro. Beep 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 beep. See, before the room looks like one sampah. See, doing business everywhere we go. Let's cut this off. Now that it's all out, we were struggling. They gave us this stand cord. They actually gave us a screwdriver. Macam you need one, macam not me. Oh shit! Oh, it's here. Tiny screwdriver, and they are making us to do Bob the Builder work. Wish us luck, guys. Shit! I think we pass them the corner first, lah.
One eternity later.
Level 1 complete. Level 2. How many screws are 1. Complete. Level 3. Every time something just has to go wrong. Like literally the legs of this is giving problem. Someone killed me already, man. Now we gotta try to fix the problem. See, this is super handy. That's all. This one tiny cut.
You can't bring it out. People will think you want to kill people, you know.
Yeah,
It's
but
dangerous to bring. It's illegal.
it's yes, ah.
Yeah, it's illegal.
Illegal shit, man. We do it. One is done.
Oh my god!
Another one more is in process. Like this room now sounds very echo. Now let me let's sing a Taylor Swift song here. You know that TikTok? TikTok?
Yeah, I know that.
Wild Dreaming. What song?
I don't know how he sings that thing.
Oh my god. Tell me the lyrics of the Taylor Swift one.
Then what song?
Wildest Dream.
Oh, I don't remember.
Wildest Dreamer. Oh me, Mama is like, this time I don't know. It is Dixon. I am super duper tired. Can you guys see this? That's my makeup. I haven't even removed my makeup. Like my mascaras is everywhere, plus this side the shirt, and she's like dead there. I'm not gonna end. It's just that you guys are gonna see a new me in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I know I look ugly, but I'm excited because I got my curtains in the mail just now. So now I'm just gonna fix it. I don't care because I want the room to be put together as quickly as possible. So I'm sorry I'm so short here. Okay, but now I'm gonna try to put the curtain from here to here. Let's try. Let me go grab the rod. Look at the curtain! Let me off the music. This is the curtain. I think it's gonna be enough to cover this whole place here. So let me try to put this. Whatever. We gotta do the opposite side, which is the door. So the problem here is that that is not going all the way to that side. I bought the rod too short, so we gotta work in budget. So I just decided to put it on the door. I think I'm just gonna bring that rod down and put it on the window so it matches the height. Other than that, I love it. I am really not sure whether this rod is gonna like fit the whole length, but I got 4 of that. I hope it's enough. Let me just didn't iron because I am so lazy. So all we have to do now is just gather this and put a bowl. There we go. Yeah. Decoration I'm gonna put right here. Let me bring few some more. Remove that. Like right here. Pre-print it. This does not have a bus, so I'm just gonna place it right there without a bus.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna make a quick video on my tour of this office, and it's super last minute. My mom is waiting downstairs, but I'm gonna quickly do this. Start when you guys enter. I set up this like a tension rod and I put on this curtain just to make it look a little bit more homely, and I also did add here, but in the wind from this window right here it got like pushed over, but no worries. And then this is my bubble wrap. Definitely Coil's office is gonna have all Coil's product. I have this bubble wrap for to pack all the orders and everything, and the boxes are here. Some other stocks are down there, and here are some filming stuff that I put. This chair came together with the unit that I stayed in. I wasn't sure on where to place this chair because it's kind of huge. Let me show you how huge is it. Like, it's so huge. You can literally... Such a cute corner because like once you work and everything, you can just relax. I just have my monthly schedule on what I'm gonna do and everything, my printer, my laptop for business. Yeah, everything is not well arranged as you guys can see, and these are some stationery stuff. Still using wired mouse for this laptop because I just got it, and literally build this whole set here, this 2 cabinet and this right here, all by ourselves. Some fake books, and there over there too, like here, there too. So then all I did was just decorate that. I have a small money plant up here, which you guys would have noticed in my previous vlog. I don't have a pot for it, but it's surviving. It's so beautifully growing. I sometimes forget to water them, but I did water them. And then here are some PR kit that I am planning. So here's a sneak peek. That's all. I think I just showed you guys everything. And I have this one candle right here. It's my favorite. It's my favorite candle because it literally make this whole room smells better. I tried so many things to make this room better because of this wooden stuff. It smelled kind of weird, but that solved the problem. Polarized and coils cut over here. Literally did this all by myself together with my best friend, together with Natasha. I did this at the pottery shop and it was so cute. It turned out so beautiful. I'm in love with it. Like, look at the bow. I literally draw that because I was bored of working, but yeah, whatever. Than that, it's all coils product. This is like the mini comb in the pouch, and then these are the wooden brush, the wooden comb, like the detangling comb. Then the scalp massager, the best thing ever. If you guys know, you definitely get it. And my brush down there and some extra stuff, some stationeries and everything. And that is all. For the double C hair oil also, I just slicked it at the corners because I didn't have a specific place for it. And yeah, that's all. That is all. And I mean, I love this place. I've never been sitting here for a very long time because work stressed me out. So I attend events and I make contents and make myself happy. But that is all. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna make my vlogs more regular, maybe weekly one video, so stay tuned, I guess. And if I can't record with my camera, I'm probably gonna pull out my phone and record like this one because my camera is downstairs and I was like, they deserve to see what I've been working with. So like previously you saw me building together with Natasha, and I completed this, and yeah, I'm happy with how it turned out. Definitely not like my dream office, but this is somewhere to start with. So thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That way you guys are gonna boost. Oh my god, this dog barks and I've always felt like they are barking in my house because it echoes all the way up here. Just ignore, okay guys? So thank you so much for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Mwah.